I start by shredding the vegetables that I'll be using to make the shawarma, and for this I am using some carrots and cabbage. Once that is done, I proceed to dice the protein into tiny bite sizes. You can use any protein of your choice, but for this I am using beef. If you have chicken or any other protein, then feel free to use it. After dicing, I transfer the beef into a bowl and I add some seasoning cube, some salt, some thyme, some curry powder, and some pepper. I stir properly to make sure that the spices are properly incorporated, after which I set aside and allow to marinate for about 15 minutes. I set my pan on medium heat and I pour in about half a cup of vegetable oil and allow to heat up a bit. And then I fry the sausages for about 5 minutes. I take it out of the oil and I proceed to fry the beef for another 5 minutes. In a large bowl, I add some mayonnaise, an equal quantity of ketchup, and I mix until properly combined. And then I add some pepper to taste and then I mix it again. After mixing, I add the cabbage and carrots. And I mix them up together. Once that is done, I proceed to wrap the shawarma. I do this by placing one shawarma bread on a foil paper. I add the vegetables, a sausage, and some beef. And I wrap with the bread. I take it a step further by wrapping with the foil paper because nobody likes messy eating. And our shawarma is ready. Just heat it up a little in the oven when ready to eat. If you love this video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe afterwards. Remember to turn on your notification so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.